Picture this: maximizing income with online surveys and microtasks. Earning from home has never been easier. Now let's delve deeper into this captivating and intricate world of online income generation, right from the comfort of your own cozy living room. Visualize yourself situated in your most cherished spot of your home, comfortably reclining in your favorite armchair, laptop aglow with promise set before you, and a steaming cup of fragrant coffee standing as a silent companion by your side. You are on the threshold of an incredible journey, a journey that holds the potential to alter your financial landscape. Of an incredible journey, a journey that holds the potential to alter your financial landscape. This isn't a quest filled with hazardous endeavors or risky speculations, but rather a steadfast voyage of persistence, grit, and determination, warmly cocooned within the familiar walls of your home. The inaugural stride on this exciting path requires aligning yourself with online platforms known for their integrity and reliability, which digital gateways open up a world of possibilities and potential earnings. It is of utmost importance to choose platforms with a proven history of consistent payouts and a transparent approach to their payment methods, thereby ensuring user satisfaction. This digital universe is laden with a myriad of tasks, presenting everything from uncomplicated surveys that consume just a few moments of your time to concentrated effort and a dash of dedication. The allure of these platforms springs from the vast diversity of tasks on offer. In one instant, you may find yourself filling out a survey, and in the next, you could be engrossed in transcribing an audio clip. In this expansive sea of opportunities, commitment and proficient time management are your most steadfast companions. These platforms necessitate a commitment of a few spare hours each day to successfully traverse the waters of online revenue generation. Consistency, without revenue generation. Consistency, without a doubt, plays a pivotal role here. A regular, well-planned schedule molded to fit your convenience can significantly boost your earnings. This routine should be ingrained into your daily life, paralleling habitual tasks like brushing your teeth or relishing your morning coffee. Gradually, the fruits of your labor will become evident as your earnings begin to accumulate. What makes this prospect even more thrilling is the potential to augment your earnings by engaging with several platforms simultaneously. This is akin to having multiple income streams all from the comfort of your home. However, one must bear in mind to set realistic goals. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a magic pot overflowing with overnight fortune. Patience, persistence, and a level-headed approach are key to success. Every click, every survey, every task you perform, regardless of how insignificant it may appear, contributes to your overall earnings. A couple of much, but when accumulated over time, it makes a significant difference. So, why not seize the day and take a plunge into this fascinating world? Witness as the fruits of your efforts ripen and multiply. Remember, each day lost to procrastination is a day of earnings gone by. Consider this: why wait for tomorrow when you can embark on this journey today? Harness the limitless power of the internet and start making money from